Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Honor Magic 4 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. Alright, so first of all you want to open up the Google Play Store. At the search bar type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you will want to launch the Opera and set it up. So in here simply press on the blue continue button, choose whether some of the features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip the configuration process for later. I'll personally enable the ad blocking, enable the tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. And the final thing that you need to do is to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.